TGIF, happy Friday, my friends, and welcome back to another daily work from home job lead video. This video is going to be a little bit longer. I have 4 different part-time remote work from home job leads to share with you today. But real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I share them on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. The links to all the pages that I share in my videos are always in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just want to ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that these are being helpful to you. And diving right on in, we have the company First Advantage. They are a leading global provider of technology solutions for screening, verification, safety, and compliance related to human capital. They are hiring a verification specialist. This is remote for the United States. Now, this is going to be a customer service type position. They're looking for somebody to work 20 hours per week, Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time, with occasional additional hours as needed. If you're outside of that Eastern Time zone, you'll have to convert your time zone to the Eastern Time zone to see if those hours will work for you. But they're looking for somebody to basically answer inbound calls to verify job applicants' education and employment history. You'll flag and follow up on discrepancies, procedures regarding the reported differences in the verification results through appropriate sources and channels. You're then going to process verification templates, making sure all forms are filled out properly and completely, along with documenting notes in the database system. You will also enter responses that come in through different sources like fax, emails, and calls into the database, along with reviewing the bridge responses. You'll conduct all duties in accordance with policies, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and any state or federal laws. Now, this position does not require a college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They prefer somebody who has 1 year experience with verification or background checks, but that is not required. You do have to have great customer service skills, comfortable using the phone for communication means, great attention to detail, the ability to work independently, and of course, you've got to know how to use those Microsoft Office systems like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Now, they do have a few states that they cannot hire from. Those are Arizona, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Hawaii, Illinois, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Vermont, Washington State, and Washington, D.C. Unfortunately, First Advantage did not list the pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Moving right along, we have the company Boxcast. Now, Boxcast is hiring a part-time technical support representative. This is remote for the United States. But Boxcast is basically looking for somebody to establish delightful working relationships with their clients while providing Tier 1 technical support and guidance to resolve their issues. You'll answer phone calls, chat, and email inquiries from clients and viewers and respond to all their concerns in a timely manner, tracking incidents in their intercom per company standards. You'll help resolve hardware and software problems, coordinate referrals to the appropriate technical resource as needed, and you'll also be onboarding new customers setting up their Boxcast for the first time. Now, their clients and viewers are during the following hours: Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., Sunday, 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. That's when they're open, so your shift will be somewhere during that time. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They want somebody who has the ability to recognize and solve issues, someone who is willing to go that extra mile for the customer. Of course, you have to have great communication skills, great computer knowledge, and the willingness to learn different software programs, great attention to detail, be team-oriented, and a multitasker. Now, they are looking for somebody to work 20 to 25 hours a week. So again, this is part-time. You will need to be able to work some nights and weekends, and pay for this position is anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $18 an hour. All right, real quickly, if you're still with me, I just want to ask that you leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're still with me, or if you haven't already given me your feedback in another recent video of mine, please let me know down below if you prefer the shorter videos that's only one job lead, or you prefer these longer format videos that's multiple job leads in one video. But Marriott, the big hotel chain, is hiring an administrative assistant for their account sales. Now, this is going to be, again, a part-time, and it is a remote-based position within the United States. But Marriott is basically looking for somebody to do just all-around administrative tasks. You'll enter and retrieve information contained in their computer databases. You'll transmit information or documents using your computer. You'll handle incoming and outgoing mail, including date stamping and distributing incoming mail. They probably have their mail scanned, and it's probably coming electronic. And you'll enter and locate any work-related information using the computers or point-of-sales systems. Now, they don't list a lot of what they're requiring. It doesn't look like they require any kind of college degree, just somebody who will go above and beyond and follow the company policies and procedures. Someone who has great communication skills when dealing with customers or talking on the phone. Someone who can remain positive and be a team player. Now, pay for this position is going to be dependent on location and experience, but pay is anywhere from $18 an hour all the way up to $26.91 an hour. It does say that they offer some benefit package. And last but not least, I did save this one for last because this one is going to require a college degree, and it is limited to only a few states. But Colgate University is hiring a part-time application reader. Now, they're looking for somebody specifically in the states of Connecticut, Georgia, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, or Virginia. But they are looking for somebody to provide critical support for their assessment of early and regular decisions for their first-year applications to the university. You'll be asked to conduct a number of application review tasks, primarily including computing and gathering data on the applicants, as well as conducting an applicant review alongside a reading partner. You'll be trained on all elements of their application review process to be conducted upon hire. You must be comfortable evaluating applicants in accordance with their outlined mission. So you're going to be the first point of contact that's going to go through the applications, check it against certain criteria, and let them know if it passes the first review or not. Now, as far as what they're requiring, a bachelor degree is required along with at least 1 year of experience. They want somebody who has strong math skills, great organizational skills, and the ability to work with confidential information and keep it confidential. Now, pay for this position is going to be $25 an hour. Of course, they want you to be available 20 to 25 hours a week, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, with occasional weekend assignments. This is going to run from mid-October through March 31st. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Remember that sharing is always caring, so if you find any of the job leads that I share helpful, please share these videos with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life with that great work-life balance. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.